How to fix the camera distortion issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this distortion issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches which includes the distortion issue. But after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then if you have installed any camera lens protector or there is any dust on camera, then remove the camera lens and clean the dust, and after doing this the distortion issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue after cleaning your camera lens, then open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps, and then in apps tap on this apps option again, and then tap on camera. Now go to the storage of camera app, and from here clear the app data and cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and then from the pop-up tap on delete. And after that the camera distortion issue will be 100% fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution for this distortion issue is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates. Now click on reset, and then tap on reset all settings. Now here again click on this reset all settings option here to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the camera distortion issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera distortion issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.